Hey guys, Chris here. So I've been looking at my hiking boots and I said it is time to replace these. These are high-tech men's mid-top hiking boots, and the tread was really pretty much wore out like an old snow tire, and we are heading into snow season, and I thought, you know, I just need to get some boots to take care of myself. The toe guard here was separating. Look at that. Just totally separated right there. Very scuffed up. I don't know if you can see that. The shoelaces were like exhausted. So I'm going to replace these. I may actually bring them down to the thrift store. I think somebody could pull out the old insoles and then replace them and maybe clean them up with some fresh shoelaces. But nonetheless, they're going away. And I got Merrell Moab Vent 2 mid-top mid-range hiking boots for men. I got these today at the local Sportsman's Warehouse. These can get these on Amazon. They are 4.5 stars, about 9,000 reviews. They are a bestseller. That is also with, they also have the lower cut ones. I like the ankle support, so I went with the ankle support, and I paid $110 for these. It's a good investment in what I like to do, which is hiking. On Amazon, you can even get a better price if you get the different, look at the different colors, different sizes, and even when you buy it. Like if you buy on a Tuesday, like a week or two later, sometimes it's like cheaper. It's like almost like getting airline tickets. You kind of check back and see what the prices are doing. Okay, so the overall standard price is $110 for the mid cut like I have, and then $100 for the lower cut. Check on Amazon, check around the internet, wherever you like to shop. See if you can get a good price break on it. Sometimes, like I said, there's you can get them for a little bit cheaper than the standard retail price. You can see that they really have a nice design to them. I really like the look of that. Compare that to like this boot. It's just a nicer look to it overall, I think. So the Moab, which is the mother of all boots, I like that, that's pretty funny, is 1.1 pounds. This has a durable leather and suede, mesh uppers. You can see the mesh in here. It's very breathable, has a waterproof treatment to it, and what that does is it keeps your feet warm and dry and still breathes at the same time. It also has a microbe shield that they've applied to it. Another treatment, a solution that they've tried for the inside of the liner here, that has an antimicrobial solution, which is called a microbe shield, and that fights those odors that you get when you wear it and you get a little wet and soggy, and you put it in the garage, and like a day later you're like, oh my gosh, what is that dead muskox smell in my shoes? So it actually helps with that, with the microbe shield. Very nice thing to have, but very popular boot. I really like this boot, and really happy I got it. This is just a very, very comfortable boot, hiking shoe, hiking boot. People just really like how comfortable it is. Right out of the box you can use it, and you don't really have to break it in and worry about wearing it for 2 weeks before you go on a hike or something, so you can just wear it right out of the box. Well ventilated, very durable boot, and the you can see the construction is really well done with the toe guard coming up and this coming way up over the front of the toe. I mean, that's where the problems are. Even in the back it comes way up like that. Very well built, really great soles on these. This is actually a Vibram Sole. Vibram, I think it's maybe it's Vibram, but I've always called them Vibram soles. Back in the 80s, I had the original Colorados, which had the Vibram sole, the Colorado hiking boots, and that was the big hiker boot back then. So I remember wearing those in the mid 80s, going to school and thinking, you know, I'm kind of the outdoors look to me, you know, with the big hiking boots and stuff. And my first hiking trip in the 80s was the Cloud Peak Wilderness in central Wyoming. Great trip. That was a lot of fun. That's where I learned how to backpack, and I went from there up to Yellowstone, etc. But the rest is history. So, But really a good boot. So the inside, we have the insole here, and this has some extra, it's called the air cushion insole, a little extra pad right here, extra padding. You can see the design on it, real well built to give you, really cradle your feet. It's got ventilation in the sole there with the holes and such. So really very nice. Put those back in, and so the Moab Vent 2, $110 is like the standard price, or about $100 for the lower cut ones. But like I said, on Amazon, I just found this, and they're currently, this color with the lower cut is $85 on Amazon. So it even says normally $99.95, and you're saving $15.95. You're saving 16%. So just interesting. Amazon's worth checking out. So I'm going to put these on in the other room. Take a look at them. I got the size 11. These fit me really well. I got a bigger foot. I got a little bit of Sasquatch in me. And they slip on nice and easily. Look at that. Very nice. And there's one eyelet at the top that you just, the hook eyelet, I believe that's what you call it, which is fine, because sometimes you get too many of those you're hooking the laces on. But yeah, check that out, look at that. Goes on nice and smooth, and they just feel so comfortable. So real happy with these. Okay, I'm gonna go take him out for a walk. like I'm taking a dog out for a walk or something. But all right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Keep hiking.